right, y'all. Making progress on this Optispark water pump, crankshaft seal, timing chain replacement. Got the timing done. Timing chain's been installed. Got new gaskets on the cover. I use some gorilla snot to get that get them gaskets on there. That's it, man. This is a 94 Cadillac Fleetwood with that Corvette LT1. And she gonna be running like a champ soon. I hope. It's your boy BishopLo on the go. This motherfucker gonna run like a brand new LT1. Yes, sir. I'm gone. Like, share, subscribe. The blind, legless mechanic. Yeah, right. Definitely not a mechanic, but I'm definitely legally blind and legless. You see it. All right, guys. Getting this Fleetwood in order. Like, share, subscribe. I'm gone. Church.